You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
Grind, taking no breaks. Yeah, gotta do what it takes. Yeah, whoa. Grind, taking no.
YouTube, what is good? How you guys doing today? Told you guys we had an install coming up, and today is the day. I have an M Sport bumper for my wagon, as you guys seen in the last video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. I dropped like 2 videos in one day. I dropped a GoPro video that I just picked up, so stay tuned for all that content. And I also just dropped a installing percent conversions for both of my cars. But today we're gonna be focusing on the wagon. Also, last night I had recorded some late night like POV driving when I got off work, but I don't think it really came out how I wanted it to come out. So I have work again tonight, and I'll be redoing that or getting the same clips. I did hit like 140 though in my SUPRA last night, and I wish I got it on camera probably, but it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna quickly get outside and bang this out. As you can see, SUPRA is blocking in the wagon. Like I told you guys, drove the SUPRA last night, and I'm probably gonna take this to work again. But yeah, I'm super excited, bro. I have a crazy winter I gotta grind for, because I have 2 babies. You guys remember I had the older E91 that was giving me so many problems, and now I have my dream wagon. So I mean, like, it's all good. Like, I didn't really go all out this summer with the SUPRA because I worked towards this, and I'm super proud. But we're not gonna be worrying about this car today. I'm probably even gonna get it out the way just so I can back up the wagon a little bit and maybe put it on the other side. But today is all about baby girl right here, my beautiful F31 wagon. She has a bumper, a M Sport bumper that I got from a friend for a really great price. It's kind of dirty because it's been sitting out here for a while, because I've just been putting it off, and we've been getting a lot of rain here in Boston. But I was debating whether to, because you guys can see I have sensors on my F31, so I was gonna wait. I bought the drill bit to drill out my own holes for the sensors, but it's like, bro, the bumper has to get painted regardless. Might as well have the body shop or whoever I choose to paint my car with do that for me. So I'm not gonna worry about that just yet. I did get a new grill. We're not putting in this chrome grill, and I also have the fog light to go for that I had to wait to come in. So I have everything. This is the start of modifying the F31. Still gotta get side skirts, rear diffuser. There's a look I want, and there's a look I want for both of these cars, and we're gonna achieve them. Doesn't matter how long it takes, but we're gonna get them done. But yeah, so should be a quick install. I could honestly just leave the bumper like this and just record me. I can just air up the car, put it on jacks real quick, and stuff like that. Simple. I can even put it on the ramps. Well, whatever I do, I just figure it out. I'll leave the car right here, just do what I gotta do, and I think I might just do that. So yeah, let me go get the camera stand and let's get started. Before I get started though, I really do want to spray down this bumper because it is super filthy all over in the inside, and you don't want to put that on the car. So that's what we're gonna do. And as you can see, the sensor cutout holes. So I was gonna do that, but figure we don't worry about that. We'll let the body shop do that. Car is aired up, and to be honest with you, let me make sure the mic's on. The car gets pretty high up. Oh, just the air suspension alone. It's way higher than stock, at least in the front, but not the rear. But I don't really think I need to jack this car up. To be honest, I think I'll be fine with it right now. This bumper has so many things going on. Like, I didn't even know it had all this to deal with. And I don't even think I can swap that over to this bumper, can I? Yeah, I don't have, I mean, I have that, but I don't think I have the piece for that to swap everything over, you know? Well, I have to get rid of this, like of all this, you know? So guys, I've come to the conclusion that I'm not going to be reinstalling those the headlight washers. I just feel like it's pointless, and to be honest, I might just leave. I can't leave it even plugged in like that. I might tuck it up in here or something, but I don't know. See, either way it's just gonna leak. So I would love to just tuck it somewhere, but I don't think I really can. Maybe I could tuck it, I don't really know, but seems like it's just gonna leak. I don't know. I don't want this on my car no more. I feel like it's pointless. I really don't need it, so I guess I'll figure it out. Fog lights are out. I need to hurry up and get this car done before it gets dark out. But sun goes down a lot quicker now, around like 7 o'clock. It's about 6 o'clock. I did waste time though. I was watching a little YouTube video. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna wash this out really quickly because this thing is filthy. It's literally like crunch time before I gotta go to work. But I had to fabricate my stock fog lights onto this grill I ordered so that I can have fog lights on my M Sport grill. Basically, where I screwed in here, I had to just drill a bigger hole, and it was perfect. Came out fine. So they're in place. I might stop for today though, because I gotta go to work soon. So pretty much set. All I gotta do is install these and then we're good to go. Put the bumper back on. This absolutely sucks, guys. I plan to get a video out for you guys, but it's literally been raining all day. I have the bumpers out here. Still got all the screws on the floor, but it's literally been raining. I took off the grills as you've seen, and I also have the fog lights for the bumper. But look, my tools is wet. Like, I had no clue it was gonna rain like this, but here we are. So probably gonna continue the video tomorrow and call it a day, because this is actually kind of crazy. But yeah, that's why no video is up. Good morning, guys. It's another day, and as you can see, we got these homeboys here cutting trees, as you can see. So yeah, it's gonna suck because our neighbor's getting their trees cut. Sorry, but probably not gonna talk for the rest of this video until I get to a quiet spot. So while they make all the noise in the world, we're gonna put this bumper back together. It's getting really loud right now, but just gonna pick up where we left off. I'm just gonna power wash this front bumper, get all the dirt off of it, and yeah. Okay, boys, fogs are in. About damn time. I'm about to put the grills in, and then should be good. These guys are finally done, so I can really record how I want to now. But yeah, all we gotta do is put the grills in, and should be good. We just put the bumper back together. I don't know about you guys, but I love this grill. This was part of the reason why I waited so long to install the bumper, as long as waiting for the fog light grills. But I love this grill. It's so beautiful to me. I don't know, but I think it'll look really unique on the wagon. But I'm about to let this camera charge a little bit and then finish the install. There you have it, guys. New bumper is on. I'm really digging it. I feel like the car looks a little bit lower, but yes, M Sport for sure. One of the pieces have been completed, and I definitely love the new grill I went with. Definitely stands out a lot more. But yeah, we're starting this wagon build. About time. We got the bumper. We just need the side skirts. And I gotta source a rear M Sport bumper, then deal with the exhaust, and should be in good standing. And then obviously looking to paint, new headlights, things of the sort. But we'll get there in all due time. We have all winter, and just super happy with the way this came out. Everything came out in one piece and went back in one piece, so that was good. But yeah, I literally got work in probably like 2 hours, but I literally had to bang out this video. I've been super consistent, been posting every other day almost, and I like that for me. But I had this bumper sitting for like a good month, I think. I got this bumper like a good while ago, and it was just, I was being lazy about putting it on, but I'm glad it's finally on. The car looks good. We just take our time and we go from here. And I appreciate you guys. Big changes coming to both the cars, the Supra and the wagon. I keep reminding you guys that there's a certain look I want, and we're gonna get there in due time. Hard work pays off. As long as you take your time, should be good, and that's what we're gonna do. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your boy. We're gonna be taking off soon, trust. I'm gonna look back at these videos and be like, damn, we really came a long way. But I really appreciate all of y'all, for real. The love is real, and you guys take care and make sure you keep grinding. The grind don't stop, and your boy Topshada is out.
Grind, 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 taking no breaks. Yeah, gotta do what it takes. Yeah, yeah, whoa, grind, grind, grind.